So you're looking for time freedom? Not just financial freedom, but time freedom, where you can do what you want and still have money coming in? Well, hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and on this Easter Sunday, first, I want to wish you and your loved ones blessings and joy, and hope you have an amazing Easter. And even if you didn't actually watch this on the day it was published, that's okay. Easter goes for 50 days, so you're fine. But Easter is a season of hope, and in that spirit, I want to share with you some insight and just help you know exactly how you can go forward and give you a little inspiration and share with you our story. So Todd and I were both professionals. Before kids came, we both worked in really good jobs doing healthcare IT. Prior to that, I was a nurse on the floor. Todd was a band teacher. We kind of shifted gears and got onto that path, traveling across the country and not ever really being home. We would fly out from the house Sunday afternoons, get back late Thursday nights or Friday mornings, and we would do it all again the next week. Great money, but no time freedom. Now, we knew we wanted children and that they were coming, and that was a predicament. Like, how do we actually maintain the lifestyle that we want and be able to stay home? Well, we didn't have a way around that. We looked into franchises, maybe buying a Subway restaurant. We looked into a whole bunch of things. And number one, the investments were really high. And on top of that, you still didn't make much money. It was like a regular restaurant. As an owner, you'd maybe profit 50 to 60 grand after 5 years of not being in profit. And for us, that just didn't make any sense. So we just kind of were stewing about this idea. How do you create time freedom? We had no idea. We were then introduced to a home business idea of being able to make money from home. I jumped on in because I was passionate about the company. Todd begrudgingly came along eventually and then got really revved up about it. And we worked really hard on it for about a year. And we totally sucked. Like, no buts about it. We were both trying really hard, but we were doing everything offline and we couldn't make it happen. Our friends and family weren't interested. The people that we went out to meet out on the streets and at malls and different things, they didn't care either. Plus, on top of that, we were spending a ton of money on it with different products that we were getting, with purchasing leads, all these tools and things and courses that we were getting, and it just wasn't going anywhere for us. At that point, we came online. We decided to build this online instead. And that's really, we essentially had to go to school to learn how to market. My education is in nursing. Todd's education is in music education. And so we both had no idea how to market successfully online. So we had to basically go to school and create a new career path for ourselves to become professionals. And that's what we did. We buckled down, we worked hard, we found a system that really taught us what to do and followed people who'd gone before us, who'd made this thing work. We knew that it worked. We'd seen it work for other people. The only true variable, as we understood it, was us, our ability to take what they were teaching us and to apply it consistently, to work hard. We knew that if we were able to do it, we would be able to get results like them. And so we put our heads down and we got to work. It was, let's just say, a very steep learning curve for us. We actually hired a coach. The very first call that we had, he said he couldn't even charge us for it because he had to give all these explanations and definitions for what things were, like a lead magnet and a capture page and an email autoresponder. All of these things were like, well, I have no idea what that means. When I tell people that we started from square one, we truly started from square one. We had no idea what was going on. But we knew what we wanted. At this point in time in our lives, we had a baby that I was staying home with, and Todd was still doing that crazy travel schedule, flying out Sunday afternoons, coming back late Thursday nights or Friday mornings. And it was really, really hard on us as a family. So we had really big drive to just make that change, that we could get that time freedom. We knew it was possible if we put in the work. So we put in the work. We worked really hard. We grew in so many different ways. We got courses. We attended live events. We networked with other people in the industry. We learned, we grew, and we implemented. We weren't the people that were just attending all the trainings and buying all these courses and not doing anything. We really got to work hard, and it worked. It worked. About 18 months after we got online, we actually made the decision to bring our business online and got involved with affiliate marketing, one of our very favorite ways to make money online. 18 months after that point is when Todd was able to retire from his job. Gone. Done. Neither one of us ever have to have a job again. How exciting is that? We now have 2 little ones and we never have to have that dilemma where we're headed off to work and spending our whole days without them, only to kiss them goodnight when we come home. It is a huge blessing. It took a lot of work, but it was really worth it. So his retirement day was actually St. Patrick's Day, which is kind of funny, so it's easy to remember. But so he retired on St. Patrick's Day, and just over a year after that mark, we actually hit our very first 6-figure month. That's totally insane because, growing up, even when Todd and I first got married quite a long time ago, we didn't even, the idea of making 6 figures a year between the two of us was mind-blowing. That was so much money. The ability to make that amount in a month is purely insane. crazy talk. We last year cleared our very first $1 million year. Why? Because we got to work, because we treated it like a business, because we knew that if we wanted the lifestyle, we had to hustle, we had to grind it out at the beginning, and we did. We wanted it bad and we made it happen. So I want to encourage you, if you want lifestyle, if you want a business that serves you and just not another job that you have to do or something that you don't enjoy, I want to encourage you to grab the bull by the horns, find your passion, become a professional, invest in yourself, invest the time, be consistent. The biggest issue across the board that I've seen with people who have failed is their inability to be consistent. You have to consistently work on your business, not just attending trainings, but actually producing content or doing whatever strategies that you're doing to build your business. You have to be incredibly consistent. Treat it like a business. But if you do, you can create a lifestyle that you've never dreamed of, more money than you've ever imagined. It is possible. And I want to encourage you just to commit to yourself, commit to your family, into that future that you can create if you commit. To get some help, to learn really how to go from 0 to 6 figures or 6 figures to 7, whatever it is, wherever you are in your business, definitely click the link at the top of the description to get some training to help you do that. We really are here to help you succeed. That's what we're all about. If you're on this channel, if you're watching this video right now, then you need to understand we are here for you. We're rooting for you to help you create time freedom for you and your family, for you and your loved ones. If you haven't yet subscribed, you got to do that so that we can help you with that. Wishing you all again Easter blessings. Have an amazing day and God bless. Bye-bye.